Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to sort data alphabetically in Google Sheets. So what you have to do, you have to just select whole data. Okay, here I have this employee and sales table. Okay, now I want to arrange it alphabetically. So what you have to do, you have to just select all both columns. Okay, then go to data and here you will see data sort range. Now you have to click on this advanced range sorting option. Now check this data has header row and then another click add another sort columns. Okay, because we have two header or two columns and both columns has two header. Okay, then you have to just click on this sort. So if you want to arrange it Z to A, you have to just select Z to A, or if you want to arrange it A to Z, so as I want to arrange it A to Z, so just click on this sort and you will see this table is arranged alphabetically. So like this you can sort data in Google Sheets. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.